Hi, I'm Michele Ramazza, the creator of ORA, the most powerful management software for Activity Center. This idea came to me from my experience in several river activity centers. I have seen the administration getting crazy with big and complicated notebooks, tons of paper, sending millions of mail, do the invoice manually, just to organize the trips. And everything instead can be done simply with this website. ORA could help you a lot in the booking management because everything is organized with your computer in a powerful and a fast website, accessible from any device with network access from several people at the same time. Reservation can be taken from several offices in the same moment, referring to the same database. So, moreover, the reservation don't necessarily have to pass through your office, but can be done straight away from the public in your website. This feature is now vital for some commercial area like flight booking or hotel booking, and now is available for your activity center as well. Now I'm gonna show you how this software can work. I'm gonna set up with you an activity, for instance for tomorrow, and I'm gonna show you how a user can book these activities online on your website. Now let's start to play with ORA. This is a demo website like the one you can find on activitiesbookingsystem.com. Here is the public view where you can see the activities of your center day by day. But now we want to set up an activities and make it ready for tomorrow. So first thing, we need to log in into the administration area, which is available only after a safe login. And we want to set up an activity type. As you can see here, there's few already set it up, but we want to add a new one just to see how it works. Let's make, for instance, we want to add the canyoning activities. So we want to just write down the name. For every language we have available on the website. We just set up a color to make it easier to recognize these activities, and we want to make it available just for 3 people when no reservation has been done before. That means if only one person goes on the website and try to book it, is not going to be able to do it because only 3 booking can start an activity. In this way, you will never have one person booking just one trip that you don't want to run with less than 3 people, for example. We set it up an image, an icon for the activities, and we want to define a customer guides ratio. That means how many people can take, for example, 1 guide, 2 guides, and 3 guides. In this way, everything is calculated automatically, and you don't have to do any counting again, because if you set 3 guides, for example, will be 24 places available, so it's easier for you to set up the activities. Duration, this is optional, it can be maybe 2 hours, and let's say this is an easy canyoning, and we can set up a description to show the user what is these activities. And we want to let the user book these activities. We don't want to just keep it for ourselves. And we ask 5 hours of advanced booking time. That means no reservation can be done the 5 hours before the activity. And the worker are gonna be busy for 120 minutes. Okay. Here we go. We set up a new activity. Now we need to define the price for this kind of activities. As we can see, we have 2 customer type, adult and kid. But for example, we wanna open these activities just for adults because it could be dangerous. And so for the price, for example, 70 euros. And we wanna open for online booking this customer type, and we ask 30 euros of deposit. This is optional. You don't have to set up a deposit, but in the web it's generally a very good way to do. So people need to pay 30 euros in advance, and they will pay the rest when they are at the rafting center. Here we go. Everything is set up. Now we need to place these activities for a certain date. So we are gonna open the calendar view, and as you can see here, that's all the activities available for this date. We wanna add a new one, like canyoning, for let's say 12. We wanna 3 available guides, so automatically calculate 24 places available. Now let's say we are a user and we wanna book these activities from the website. So we need to log out and think like we are. So we'll look for the activities. We have a calendar, so we'll find the 25th of October, and as you can see, you can go easily on the day before in advance. But we'll stop on Thursday, and we want to book for canyoning the activities we just set it up. So it's required at least three reservations to start this. So let's say we are 4 adults, and as you can see here, that's the total and the total deposit asked for book these activities. We can also ask for the people to book for an extra things like the lunch, for example, and this extra can be set it up like the activities on the administration area. So the lunch was already on, and we can go forward and book for these activities. It's gonna 132 euros, so it's gonna ask us the deposits. We need to put the name on, for example, let's say a random name. And let's say a username and a password to let come back on this website and find your reservation detail and everything you need after the trip. For example, you can find your photos, you can go and have a discount, you can do a lot of things on the customer area with this login. We just ask. And okay, we go ahead. That's a privacy policy, obviously to agree. And here we go. This is the confirmation page. In this area, as you can see here, there's a resume of what we booked for, and the chart of what we order, like say 4 adults for canyoning, 4 full lunch at the base, and this is the total price and the deposit. As you can see here, a payment is required using a gateway, and this is, for example, PayPal, but this could be more gateways set it up for you. And the total deposit is going to be 130 euros. So now we want to confirm our booking with this. We will be redirected to the PayPal page. All right, here we go on the PayPal test account, and a chart is given to us to remember what we ordered for. And now we have already an account PayPal. We'll just make a test payment to show you how it works. So we're gonna pay these activities, and this information are going to give back immediately to ORA. So you will immediately know that an order has been paid by a customer, and this, after this, a ticket is printed. It's for the user, so the user can actually print the ticket of your activities, and you can be sure that everything went well. So this is obviously the logo you can customize. We just show the basic features of ORA, but there's a lot of more, like setting up discount code to let the user have discounts on the activities. And also there's tools to sell video and photos after the trip. So basically the user can log in again in your website and check the photos of the trip as well as the video, and they can buy online after the trip. You can also set up workers to organizing the daily activities and calculating the wage for every day and for every month. So that's going to simplify you a lot the organization of the crew. You can set up extra and a lot of more things. You can also add new features just asking to me, and we can organize how to make this website perfect for you. If you need more information, just go on the website activitiesbookingsystem.com and check all the features we have already available for website. Hope I've been clear, and if you need more information, just write me an email and I will give you all the answer and all the support to setting up this system. Thank you very much for the time.